Я начинаю вращать одной рукой. Я.
A personal pronoun meaning I, pronounced.
Я.
Similar to the ya in yard, but slightly shorter and less emphasized. It is the nominative case, indicating that
I.
is the subject performing the action.
Начинаю.
A verb meaning I begin, or I am starting, pronounced.
N'chɪ́naju.
The stress is on the second syllable. It's the first person singular present tense of the verb.
Начинать.
Nachinat. It shows the action is ongoing or just commencing.
Вращать.
An infinitive verb meaning to rotate or to spin. Pronounced.
Врат.
Here, it's in the infinitive form but used in the context of the present tense, giving the meaning of I am rotating. The
Ща.
shch sound is a combination of
sh.
and,
Ch.
as in the ch in church.
Одной.
An adjective meaning one or single. Pronounced.
ДНожий.
It's the feminine singular instrumental case form of the numeral
Один.
odin, indicating the manner or instrument with which the action is performed. It specifies that only one hand is being used.
Рукой.
A noun meaning hand, pronounced.
Рукожий.
It's the feminine singular instrumental case of the noun
Рука.
ruka, matching the gender agreement with
Одной.
and indicating the instrument used for rotating. Putting it together
Я начинаю вращать одной рукой.
means I am starting to rotate with one hand, or I am beginning to spin with one hand. It's a clear and concise description of a single-handed rotational action.